we'll go to the next room for electrical, which will be the kitchen. We're gonna remove this ceiling fan and put up a light there. And that ceiling fan, we'll do recessed lighting, and we'll come over probably down this way and do 3, possibly 1 here, 1 on the other side of the fan, and then 1 in this walk-in area right above the pantry or before the pantry. So we have a 3 recessed lighting here, 1 there with recess, and then a regular light there, and then we'll put a recess there. So that's what needs to be done for the kitchen. So that's what we'll get done next. This one is separate. And the ones running down this way, and the middle one, are all on a two-way switch. On this end and the far end, which is down there. And this one is separate over the sink. So definitely a lot brighter. Have to do one for the pantry, which is just a light tail, probably put a cool switch there. That definitely lightens up the kitchen. So all the electrical and lighting is done for the kitchen area. This will be the next room we'll do with lighting, and we'll probably do 5 recessed lights in here. That's the only light where you come in the door. That's the only one for this one. And you can see with just that light, the room is pretty dark. So we'll do 1 center and possibly 2 down this walkway and 2 down on that side by the fireplace. So you can see what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like after. Got everything installed. A lot brighter. We got 2 down this side, 1 center, and 2 on that side. And we changed out the one for the door. So lighting in this room is completed. In the next room, we'll go down the hallway. For the room in the back, the large bedroom, we're gonna do the same. Remove those 2 fans. We'll be installing these 2. The only difference, these 2 are silver instead of black. And we'll do 4 recessed light in this area. The area over here, I think that's gonna have enough light with just that ceiling fan with its lighting. So coming in the door, we'll do 1 by the door, and then 1 in the corner, and 1 in that corner over there, and then 1 probably 2 feet away from the wall. So we'll line up 2 with that vent, and then line up possibly 2 with that vent or in that area. And we'll add an additional switch for the lights. And this one controls the ceiling fans. So we'll leave that like it is and add an additional box there. So this room is finished and got 4 recessed lights in, and then got the 2 ceiling fans in. And they are controlled by 2 separate switches. Got those in, which one controls the fans and the other one controls the lights. And then of course got the remotes for the same as the other one. And it is and it controls both fans. So that's it for this room, electrical. And might put another recessed light over in that corner, just thinking about it, but that may be a good spot for the bed area. So that is it for this room, as far as electrical and lighting. Like I said, 4 can lights in. 2 ceiling fans. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.